Dear students, here I am going to discuss properties of the set theory. Okay, let us see these properties. If A and B are the two sets, prove that A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. If A and B are two sets, prove that A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay, we have to verify it. So we can verify by using properties and using the example and also using the Venn diagram. Okay students, let us see using the properties. Here it is written, for all element X belongs to A difference B. Let us any element X belongs to A difference B. Okay. Then if X belongs to A difference B, all of you know according to definition of A difference B implies and implied by X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. All of you know definition of A difference B. Those elements are in A but not in B are called the element of X. Okay. So here implies and implied by X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Okay. That's again implies and implied by X belongs to A and if X does not belongs to B, all of you know, then X belongs to B complement. Yes or no? If X does not belongs to B, then X belongs to B complement. Okay. Then X belongs to A and X belongs to B complement. That's implies and implied by X belongs to A and X belongs to B complement. What is that? It means X is the common element of A and B dash. Complement means B dash. Okay. So X belongs to A intersection B complement is the RHS. RHS we have A intersection B complement. So all of you got. Hence A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement or B dash. Okay. So this is the proof by using properties. By taking the properties element X, see here we prove that A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. So let us an example. With the help of example, can you prove it? Let us prove this statement with the help of an example. Let us here I am taking in set A element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The element B 3, 4, 5, 6. And the universal set I have taken the element 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Okay. So 3 sets are taken. Now LHS is A difference B. A difference B means what? Those elements are the element of the set A but not the element of set B are called A difference B set element. Okay. And which element are in A but not in B? You see, the element 1 belongs to A but 1 does not belongs to B. So 2 belongs to A, 2 does not belongs to B. That is why you have to take the element 1 and 2 in the difference A difference B. We can take the element 1 and 2. But we cannot take 3 because 3 belongs to A and 3 belongs to B. Similarly 4 belongs to A and 4 belongs to B. Okay. And 5 belongs to A and 5 belongs to B. Understood or not? So only the element 1 and 2 are the element of the belongs to the set A but not the element of set B. So only the element 1 and 2 are taken in the difference A minus B. So we got LHS A difference B is equal to element 1 and 2. This is the equation 1.1. So let us find first complement. Before going to the RHS, it is written A intersection B complement. Let us find A B complement. And B complement is the U difference B. All of you know according to definition of complement of set. So U difference B. Here U difference B means U is the universal set. Those elements are 1 to 10. And the element of B 3, 4, 5, 6. So those elements are in the universal set but not in the set B. Which element? See, the element 1, 2 are the element of U but not in B. Okay. The element 3, 4, 5, 6 belongs to B and also belongs to universal set. But the element 7, 8, 9, 10 are the element of the universal set but not the element of the set B. That is why we can take 7, 8, 9, 10. Thus the element of B complement are 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let us move to RHS. RHS A complement. Sorry, RHS A intersection B complement. At A intersection B complement is that A set element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection, we got the complement of B set is 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down the element. So intersection is the common element. What are the common element of both the set? Here you see carefully 1, 2, here 1, 2. But 3, 4, 5 belongs to the first set but are not the element of the second set. Similarly 7, 8, 9, 10 are the element of second set, not element in the first set. So 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not the common element, only the common element 1, 2. That's why we take A intersection B dash is equal to 1, 2. This is the point 2. You see the equation 1 and equation 2. A difference B is equal to 1, 2. And A equation 2, A intersection B complement is 1, 2. Both are same. Hence LS is equal to RHS. Thus it proves that A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. And we prove using the properties. Okay. Similarly the Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram here you see Venn diagram. Let us see the Venn diagram here. So you see LHS. You see here I am doing this one. LHS. You see LHS. This is the set A. This is the set B. This is the universal set. Set A, set B. This is the universal set, and this is the A difference B. A difference B is the LHS, and is the shaded region is the A difference B. Okay. Now let us move to RHS. Let us move to RHS. You write RHS. This is the set A. This is the set B. Okay. Set A and set B, universal set. And you see, first of all, you see, we have to prove that A intersection B complement. First you see what is B complement. B complement means those are element not belongs to B. It means you see the Venn diagram B area. Okay, the element, you can make the element those are found in the region except the boundary of B, set B. See, I am doing the parallel lines. These are the area. They will never enter into the boundary of B, because B complement means those elements are not in B. Okay. So these are the element of B complement. Is it clear? B dash parallel lines. Okay. Then we have to move A intersection B dash. As A intersection B dash means what are the common area of B dash and A dash are common area. What are the common area? A intersection B dash means B complement and A set. What are the common area? Common area is the D's area. You see intersection portion D's area. Okay. If you draw again this diagram, you see, modify this diagram. This is the A set and B set. This is the universal set. You see D's area is the what? A intersection. You see carefully. And this area is A intersection B complement. Okay. And this is the A intersection B complement. This is the RHS. You see the both the diagram. The LHS is A difference B. You see the shaded region of LHS A difference B. You see the shaded region of A intersection B. Okay. And both of you will find the same area. So the Venn diagram also we can prove the properties of set. Okay. Hence thus it proves that A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. Okay. Understood? Thank you.